Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I will show you guys how to get rainbow story ring on Instagram. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. Open your Instagram app, create story. Now what you need to do to get the rainbow story ring is just to add a pride sticker. So those stickers are with rainbow color. When you use one of the pride stickers, a message will pop up on your screen saying, "Using pride sticker will turn your story ring rainbow." It doesn't matter where you put the sticker as long as you add pride sticker to your My Day. Now click send to and then share. After that, hit done. Now you got the rainbow story ring on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye now!